Hello everyone, let us provide the solution to this problem. X plus y equals 6 and xy equals 36. Now to get the value of x and y in this problem, make equation 1, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. From equation 1, make x the subject so that we will be having x equal to 6 minus y, and we shall call this our equation 3 because we are coming back to pick this. Now put this equation 3 into equation 2, and our equation 2 is xy, which is equal to 36. In that case, our equation, okay, in place of x now, we're going to write 6 minus y. So we have y first, then we have 6 minus y. This is equal to 36. To continue with this, we have 6y minus y squared equals 36. Now let us rearrange this. We have minus y squared plus 6y. Then if this comes back here, it becomes negative 36, and this is giving us 0. And then from here again, we're not expected to have negative coefficients, right? So we will multiply everything by -1 so that we have y squared over there, and then we have this will turn to -6y now, and this turns to positive 36. This is equal to 0. Now use quadratic formula for this, and our y will be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. This is over 2a, right? And our a now is 1, our b is minus 6, and our c is 36. Now put this straight into this formula. We have y equal to negative 6 plus or minus. We have b squared, which will now be -6 squared, then minus 4 times 1 times c, and our c is 36. Okay, so that the whole of this will be over 2 times 1. Now we are going to continue with this so that y will be equal to negative will give us positive 6 plus or minus, and then we have 36 because minus 6 squared is 36, minus 4 times 1 times 36 will give us 144. So this is over 2. From here, y is equal to 6 plus or minus, we have square root of -108, because 36 minus 144 will give us 108, but negative. And then this is over 2. Now that we have a negative value, we can do something there so that y will be equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 108 multiplied by square root of -1. What I've done is to pick out the negative from there. So from here, y will be equal to 6 plus or minus we have square root of 108 here is the same thing as 36 multiplied by 3, then multiply by square root of -1, and the whole of this is over 2. To continue with this, we have our y to be equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 36 will give us 6. Then we have root 3. Then we have negative square root of -1, and it's I, right? So the whole of this will be over 2. Let's continue. From here, y will be equal to 6 plus or minus, we have 6i square root of 3, and this is over 2. Now this can go there and it can go here 3 times, right? So y now will be equal to 3 plus or minus 3i square root of 3. So this will be the values of y. We can split this so that we have y equal to 3 plus 3i square root of 3, or 3 minus 3i square root of 3. So this will be the two values of y. But then let's go back to our equation 3 where we got y. Okay, I think we made x the subject, where we got x to be equal to 6 minus y. Okay, we got x to be equal to 6 minus y. And then now that we have the value of y, put it into this equation 3, so that x will be equal to 6 minus open bracket 3 plus 3i square root of 3. So this is for the first value of y. And from here, our x is equal to 6 minus 3 minus 3i square root of 3. So our x now is equal to 6 minus 3 will give us 3. Then we have negative 3i square root of 3. So what does this mean? It means that when y is equal to 3 plus 3i root 3, x is equal to 3 minus 3i root 3. This is what this means. Now, let's go back to this. We are still going to apply equation 3, where we have x to be equal to 6 minus y. Now, our x will be equal to 6 minus, okay, so we have 6 minus, and we shall open the bracket so that we have y. Y is 3 minus 3i square root of 3. Okay, so now let's try to open this bracket so that x will be equal to 6 minus 3, then plus, because negative negative will go plus, then we have 3i square root of 3. To continue, our x will be equal to 6 minus 3 is 3, then plus 3i, then we have square root of 3. So this means that when x is equal to, when y is equal to 3 minus 3i root 3, our x is equal to 3 plus 3i root 3. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and do well to share this video to your friends. Thank you.